Greetings everyone. Welcome to Code Leaks. This is Mariam Anwar. Before getting into the video, I would like you to visit our website. It contains quite helpful stuff regarding different software technologies like HTML, CSS, Python, JavaScript, and many more. When it comes to function and method, they are interchangeable terms that many people uses to explain a functionality. Whereas some languages don't have the term functions, while some don't have the difference between a function and a method. In Python, function versus method is treated differently and they have distinct concepts. In this video, we will go through few examples in order to understand the difference between function and method in Python. As you can see, here I am creating a class that will be defining a method. A method is dependent on an object and is defined inside a class. Next step, I will be defining a function named as being cute, and inside the parameter I will be giving self and name. Okay, here is the print statement for what we want in the output. Now we can call the method by creating an object and referring it to the invoker. I will be giving the name as Maggie to be printed in the output. Upon running the code, we have the desired output, that is Maggie is best at being cute. So we can see the method has been called by creating an object. There are situations when the application cannot give direct access to variables but indirect access through the method. Okay, we can do this by accessing the variables in the class through the method without directly accessing it through the object. This can be done by adding a very simple line to the previous code, that is print statement, and in the print statement we will define the argument named as self to give the reference of objects being created, and simply use the method to display the variable species. In this way, you can access any attribute through the object if they are public and accessible. Next up we have function. What is a function? A function is independent and you can define and call the function anywhere without the need of a class and an object. As you can see here, I have defined a function named as cat. And one thing to remember is we do not have to pass any self parameter and can even call the function with 0 or more than 1 parameters. Next up we will invoke a function with its name only, that is cat. Now from the output you can see we have invoked a function with its name only and we have not provided any explicit reference. There comes one more thing, that is there are two kinds of function in Python. One is user-defined function and the other one is built-in function. We have already discussed the examples of user-defined function, but now it's time to have a look on an example of a built-in function. The built-in functions are those which have been defined by Python and are reserved with their specific functionality. The built-in functions are called by their names, and for some special functions we need to import their libraries accordingly. Just like in this example, I have imported the library random and I will be using the built-in function randint. This will be returning an integer number selected from the specified range. Okay, now let's try any other range to get a random number. This time it will be between 0 to 100, and upon running the code we got the random number 32. In other languages like C#, Java, there is no any clear difference between a function and a method. In this video I have highlighted a very simple difference between function and method in Python. Okay, so that's all for today's topic. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share. And yes, press the bell icon for latest updates.